Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we're gonna take a closer look at the new Big Joy cut and foil die. This is a part of the new Tree Tops and Trimmings holiday release from Trinity stamps. So you could previously see the three parts that comes in this die set, and I will now show you how the foiling die looks. So I run this through a couple of times using some red cardstock from my stash and some foils also from my stash. So I'm using a platform here for foiling, and you can see I did it twice. I had some overfoiling for the first time and I had some better result the second time here on some smooth white cardstock. And you can see here I created a couple of different options that you got with this. So here is just the cutting die and the shadow layer. I cut it out of some vellum, and here you can see how it looks when you are combining those two layers together, the cutting die and the layered piece. And here is that beautiful hot foiling and the shadow piece as well, and that looked like that. So you can get a lot of fun choices out of these three-piece die set. And here you can see how it looks when I put the Joy on top of a standard A2 size card panel. And here you can see even more inspiration from the design team. And if you like even more inspiration than you got in this video, you can also visit our Instagram account and our Facebook page, and of course our blog. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!